Sunrise Gardens is a low-density condo comprising 252 units. It gives a welcoming resort vibe to come home to every day. The 2, 3, 4 bedroom units here are generously sized from 800 to 1,800 square feet. Architecturally, the building looks timeless, giving off a classic vibe that never gets out of style. At 1,292 square feet, this 3-bedder is packed with a punch. This home is designed with a classy modern theme in mind, using white as a predominant background color and accent walls to highlight the various spaces in the home. Check out this spacious living room with a wide span of 4.1 meters. It definitely fits a large couch for the entire family. Adjacent to it, you can also accommodate a dining table of up to 2 meters in length, which will fit up to 10 people for large gatherings. These large format windows span through the entire home for optimal ventilation and airflow. Outside, you get the eye-pleasing view of the condo's landscape and lush greenery. The layout of the kitchen adds spaciousness to the home because visually, it is part of the living room, and yet it is also separated by a morning breakfast counter with a glass enclosure to make it functional for heavy cooking. This room has been modified to incorporate a half-height glass wall, allowing the room to feel private yet communal at the same time. The amount of square footage of all the rooms are impressive. This one would easily fit 2 king beds. It serves well as a playroom for your kids, a lifestyle area, or as the study room. This second room comes with a built-in wardrobe and is currently being used as the baby's room. The sights out of the huge windows are so welcoming, beautiful, and tranquil. Now let's check out the highlight, the master bedroom. Fitting a king-size bed comfortably, it also features a secret nook which leads you to an awesome man cave, the gaming corner to unwind after a day's work. Not just that, behind this door, you will also find a walk-in wardrobe surrounding the half-glass master bathroom. Now that you have seen it for yourself, don't you find the layout of this home so well apportioned? Do contact me if you are looking to buy a unit in Sunrise Gardens or you have a unit to sell. Definitely happy to discuss with you on the possible options available. That's all for today's home tour. For more of such content, make sure to like and subscribe to OrangeTee AAG's channel. My name is Michelle. See you soon.